Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arfal Tomo. Today I'm gonna show you my work about the presentation of advanced programming. It's all about conversation with my friends. So before we go, let me introduce my friend. First one is
Hello everyone, my name is Eka Rizky Maulana.
second is
Hello everyone, my name is Jiro Ahmad.
and the third is
Hello everyone, my name is Saki Munif.
and the last but not least is
Hello everyone, my name is Galifarendra Abhiseka.
Alright everyone, today's topic for our discussion is about advanced programming. Our professor says that we need to learn this deeply before our midterm. And so what do you guys think?
I think advanced programming is just programming at higher level, right? Like this more complex code.
Not exactly, it's about complexity. It's about how you design and organize your program and using efficient algorithm, data structure and design pattern.
So it's like buying basic syntax, not just how to code, but how to code smartly.
Yes, exactly. In basic programming, we just learn about looping, condition, and variable. But in advanced programming, we learn about optimization, software architecture, and problem solving.
But I read advanced programming also include topic I like object-oriented programming, multi-reading, data abstraction, and even machine learning when applied in code.
Oh, that makes sense. Oh, it's not limited one language, right? You can apply advanced programming and Java, Python, or even C++.
Exactly, it's more about the principle than the language. For example, you can use inheritance or polymorphism for both in Java and C++.
Actually, it's like learning how to build bigger system that can handle real problem world, not just small assignment.
Yes, that's right. Think about the application like online banking and social media platform. They require modular design, error mitigation, and security to run.
Why do we need to learn it? It's not basic programming enough for most jobs.
Not really. When even you work in the tech industry, you need to handle large-scale system. Without advanced programming, you might write that works code, not the last code.
Yes, maintainability and scalability are the key. Advanced programming teaches us to write code that's clean, efficient, and reusable.
So it's about writing quality code, not just functional code that's kind of inspiring.
Exactly. It's also improve the team collaboration, like as we follow the principle of advanced programming, like modularization and version control. The teamwork will be easier.
For example, when building an AI chatbots, APIs, data model, and sometimes parallel processing to make the system respond faster, that's advanced programming.
And in web development, using frameworks like React or Django requires understanding of development, component-based architecture, right?
Yes, and even designing responses that UI interact with dynamic data involve advanced event handling and state management.
Don't forget about algorithm optimization in competitive programming or system design, making a program that can run in time instead of can make a huge difference.
Exactly, that's a good point. Efficiency is a big difference of advanced programming.
Oh no, my program just crashed again.
What happened?
I think this loop never ends.
Hahaha, that's an infinite loop. Maybe you forgot to set condition.
Don't worry, I did that too when I first learned recursion.
That's a classic issue. Advanced programming is a step-by-step learning. Debugging is the part of that learn.
Yeah, real coding is always smooth. We fix, we test, and learn.
Yeah, maybe I think it's part of laptop maybe. I used to think the hardware problem.
Same, but now I see it's more about problem solving and software design.
And optimization, like making code run faster and use fewer resources.
I like how design and logic connect, even deepen the interface connect to a good structure.
You've all got it, guys. Because coding is not just write a code, it's all about you think about it.
Yes, it's not about coding, but think like data scientists.
Will say it.
Okay, I cleaned the dataset. The program runs faster now.
My machine learning model finally predict result correctly.
Nice, the UI looks better too. I just add a dark mode.
I fixed the loop and the output is stable.
See? Good teamwork, everyone. You see how understanding the algorithm and structure helps, right?
Iris advanced programming is about think before coding.
And also make the system are clean to process.
Exactly. Code that others can understand and improve later.
So if I summarize, advanced programming means understanding how to build efficient, scalable, maintainable software system, right?
Yes, and it's applying advanced logic, algorithm, and architecture, and to solve word problem.
And tools I like it. GIT, API integration, and machine learning libraries make it even more advanced.
Right, so it's not just about syntax, but thinking logically and grow system. How can grow and adapt?
Alright, perfect summary, everyone. I think we've got a solid understanding now.
Honestly, learning advanced programming, it's kind of tough. Sometimes I feel lost when I read design patterns like singleton or observer.
You're not alone. I struggle with understanding how all the parts of a program connect together.
That's normal. It takes practice. The key is to keep building projects. Every project teaches you new ways to structure code.
True. I tried integration AI with the project. I realized how important modular design and error programming are. Modular design and error handling are. One small bug can break the system.
That's why we learn about advanced programming. It made us not just a coders, but it's made us think like engineers, not only like a coder.
This was actually fun. We should make a real apps next time.
Yeah, something that use AI or cloud database.
Let's do it after midterms.
I'm in. I handle the AI part.
Perfect. That's the spirit. Coding is never stop evolving. Keep exploring, keep coding. Code smart, not just hard.
Data abstraction, and even machine learning when applied in code.
In apa?
In code. Lo ngapain ikut gue sih? Gue beli rokok dulu dah. Gue beli rokok dulu ya.
Di, apaan sih lu? Serius lagi dia mau beli rokok?
Beneran.
Di.
Programming. I
Do we need to learn it? It's not basic programming enough for most jobs.
Not really. When even you work in the tech industry, you need handle.
I used to think the harder coding. I used to think the harder coding.
Same. But now I see it's more about problem solving and software design.
And optimization, like making code run faster and use fewer results.
I like how design and logic connect, even deepen the interface connect to a good structure.
You've all got it, guys. Because coding is not just write a code, it's all about you think about it.
Yes, it's not about coding, but think like data scientists.
Will say it. Udah gitu doang.
Well,
Udah will
I used to think.
Itu siapa yang kita coba?